Hey everyone, welcome back to Serenity Soaps by Aki. My name is Aki and I have not done a voiceover in so long. I am so sorry about that. But today we'll be making a classic milk and honey soap. It's completely vegan. Right here I am melting my coconut oil with my hot lye water. This is called the heat transfer method. Because I'm making a bigger batch, I can't fit this container in the microwave or anything, which is why I'm doing it this way. And next I'm adding my coconut milk straight into there. I never freeze my coconut milk and then just use full coconut milk in the lye. It just seems like a hassle to me. But doing it this way keeps the milk from scorching. Now I'm adding my soft oils, which is canola oil, olive, pomace, and rice bran oil. Now I'm going to stick blend until I have a nice light to medium trace. Always make sure to burp your stick blender. You don't want to have air bubbles in your mixture because it'll be very annoying when you go to pour it. And just having air pockets in your soap is just unsightly, and we can't have that. The fragrance we'll be using is Oatmeal Milk and Honey from Nature's Garden. It's a wonderful fresh aroma of hawthorn with nuances of creamy French vanilla, soy milk, and base notes of nutty almond. I really love this fragrance. It's a really nice autumn fragrance, very warm and sweet. Now, this fragrance does accelerate a tad bit. So you saw I just stick blended like maybe 2 or 3 pulses and I was done. But after this point, be careful with stick blending. What I'm going to do next is split my batch into 3 equal parts. Well, I try to be equal, but you just let the ancestors guide you. So when I split it into 3, I'm going to color 1 portion brown with cocoa powder, and the other portion will be colored with titanium dioxide, and the other is just going to be its plain color because the fragrance does discolor to a light tan. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Also, when buying cocoa powder, make sure it's plain raw cocoa powder. No added sugars or anything. If there's sugar in it, it will make your soap overheat. It could cause it to crack, and it's just going to be a hot mess. So just make sure it's plain raw cocoa powder. Here I just cut some strips of bubble wrap for the honeycomb design I'm going to have on top of the soaps. But first I'm going to start with the plain color as the base, and then I'm just going to do a drop swirl alternating all 3 colors. First things first, let me get that introduction. left some of the batter behind in the bowls because I wanted to drizzle some on top so I could have like a nice swirly design to go along with the honeycomb design on top.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Now I'm just going to gently press the bubble wrap onto one side of each soap loaf. I make sure it gets good contact, and after that I'm just going to put them away and cut them after 24 hours.
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
It is now the next day and it's time to take off the bubble wrap and off to my soap cutter.
Me. Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when
I'm really satisfied with how it turned out on the inside. It kind of reminds me of when you first pour some milk into some tea and then you put the honey and it swirls all around and oh my god, it's so delicious. But yeah, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.